Meteorologist Ryan Matoush.
Welcome back, everyone, and good Sunday morning. It's the second half of your weekend. It's going to be a great day to get outside, enjoy the weather. A little bit on the warm side, though, and a little bit breezy as well. Starting off this morning, though, the last 3-4 hours showing a very quiet start to the day, similar to what we saw yesterday. The main reason being our upper air patterns, the all-important jet stream guiding us along right here, very zonal. And what that typically does for us is it creates quiet conditions across much of the area, and you can see that noted across the Central Plains. Really limited cloud cover, no major precipitation, and just a very nice start to the day. Yesterday, though, we saw lots of sunshine. Take a look at this quick time lapse outside of Emporia. It really wasn't towards the second half of the day until we saw some high base cirrus clouds moved in, and that's what really helped provide a nice sunset across the region. We got a couple of nice photos sent in to us. We always appreciate those. This one was sent in from Doug. Thank you so much. Just outside of Topeka. We got another one outside of Topeka as well, a different angle for us. This one's sent in by Todd. Another fantastic view out there, so thank you all for sending those in. This morning, though, as mentioned, it's a quiet start. Take a look at this. Winds nice and calm. That will not be the case by this afternoon. We're going to be watching about 15-20 miles per hour move in. 56 for your temperature just outside of Topeka. 47 for those dew points. More temperatures across the region. It's a pretty nice start to the day, although we're seeing a pretty wide range of temperatures. Take a look at Manhattan, Junction City, nearly 70 degrees already this morning. A little bit cooler near Lawrence and Topeka itself, lower to middle 50s. 58 for Burlington. So this graphic right here, one of my favorites to show the temperature trend. Here's where we're heading versus yesterday, 24 hours ago. We saw lots of blue on the map. This morning, lots of yellow and orange. We're off to a much warmer start, especially near Manhattan and Junction City, +7, +9 for Lawrence and Topeka. Last couple of weeks, though, as we head into September, further and further into September, a very warm picture taking place. Take a look at this, about 5-10 degrees above average for this time of year for the majority of the month. It wasn't really until quite recently where that started to trend a little bit on the cooler side. But just as quickly as it comes, it's leaving. We're back into summer-like temperatures this afternoon. This model, a little bit on the warm side, in my opinion. We're going to be closer to that 90-degree mark, but across the board, you can expect nice warm temperatures today. Once again, with plenty of sunshine. By tomorrow morning, we're off to another warm start. Take a look at this, upper 60s and lower 70s across the region. By the afternoon, more 90s on the way. That's going to be the case through Monday and Tuesday as well. Here's what we have for wind speeds. One of the bigger stories today, besides the sunshine, out of the southwest, about 15-20 miles per hour. Could be gusting up to 30. So if you're heading outside to enjoy the Chiefs, heading to Arrowhead, just plan on some breezier conditions. Speaking of such, here's what we are watching for temperatures right around kickoff. Should be in the lower 80s. Winds will be breezy, 20-25 miles per hour, as we just saw by the post game. We'll be wrapping up with those upper 80s and lower 90s. So again, it's going to start to feel a lot more like summer the next few days. But have no fear, fall is back on the way as we head towards the second half of the week. Sunshine today and the next few days, heading into the beginning of the work week. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's still 4 or 5 days out right now, but temperatures will start to cool back down into the lower 80s and eventually back into the upper 70s.